In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in TinyWow. First, open your browser and go to tinywow.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged in. Being logged in ensures the tools work smoothly and your session doesn't time out mid-process. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. At the top of the TinyWow homepage, hover over the image section in the navigation bar. This is where all the image-related tools live. From the list that appears, look for the option labeled Remove Watermark and click it. You'll land on a clean, simple page dedicated to this feature. Now it's time to bring in your photo. You can click the Upload Your Files button and select an image from your computer, or simply drag and drop the file onto the page. Most common image formats, like JPG and PNG, work well. For best results, use the highest resolution version you have. Clearer images give the tool more detail to reconstruct the background once the watermark is gone. After you add your file, give the site a moment to process it. Processing time can vary with file size and your internet connection, so a little patience here helps. When the image loads, you'll see it appear alongside a brush tool. The goal is to mark the watermark area so the tool knows exactly what to remove. Use the brush to carefully paint over the watermark. Be as precise as you can. If the watermark is text, trace over all the letters and any shadow or glow effects. If it's a logo or pattern, cover the entire shape and any faint edges. It often helps to zoom in on complex areas and use a smaller brush for tight corners, then switch to a larger brush for broader sections. Try to avoid brushing over parts of the image you want to keep, like faces, textures, or clean edges, because the tool may blend those areas when it reconstructs the background. If you make a mistake, clean up the selection so only the watermark is highlighted. Once you've marked the watermark, click Remove. TinyWow will analyze the selected region and fill it using surrounding pixels, aiming to blend the result naturally. How seamless it looks depends on the background complexity and how accurately you painted the watermark area. A quick reminder, only remove watermarks from images you own or have clear permission to edit. Watermarks often indicate ownership, and respecting creators' rights is important. And that's it. You've used TinyWow to remove a watermark quickly and confidently.